So here's how you can make a depth effect wallpaper on the iOS 17. So the first thing that you need to keep in mind is that if your wallpaper is not a high quality wallpaper and don't have some clear edges like some mountains or something like that that fits on your clock. So let me just show you as an example. To add your wallpaper, you just have to tap and hold on your home screen, and this will open up something like that where you have to slide to the right side and tap on the plus icon. Now you have to tap on photos and select your picture that you want to add. As I said, you must need to go with a wallpaper that has some edges like this. So once you do that, you have to tap on the three dots, and this should be right here with the option saying that make it depth effect. So if you don't have the depth effect, even you have a crisp and a good looking wallpaper which has some edges like mine one right here. So what you have to do is to download some alternative wallpaper. So let me just show you as an example. So I came up with a new wallpaper which is alternative to the mountain, and if I tap on this new wallpaper and zoom in just like that, as you can see it is showing me the depth effect right here. If I tap on the three dots on the bottom right, as you can see now we have the depth effect. Again, keep in mind that this not going to work for all the wallpapers. You must need some edgy and a good and sharp looking wallpapers to your home screen. So hope this helped. This is how you can make depth effect wallpaper on iOS 17.